All right, I'm doing a walkthrough video for a buyer, online buyer. We are in Marabella. That's the tile roof section of Venetian Bay. Directly to the right is like an office or a den. They put this laminate out. I'll have to read the listing. They may be just giving us different ideas of what we can do. When you walk in, you got a beautiful lake view. Coffer ceiling. This is a pretty big room. We'll spin around here. There's the front door. Formal dining. Pretty good size roof or ceiling. If I had to guess, about 9'6", 10. Over to the right is the master bedroom. Slider goes out on the patio. Nice detail. We'll walk into the master bath. Master bath's okay. Double vanity, tub, big walk-in shower. It's a good size. Has a sun tunnel. There's a water closet. Let's check out here. Yeah, good size walk-in closet. You have tile on the floor in here. There's a sun tunnel. Got a nice area there. It's a real pretty lake view. Sun tunnel in the kitchen also. Kitchen's in good condition. Stainless appliances. Breakfast nook. Patio bath. Let's step out here real quick. Outdoor kitchen needs a little TLC, a little love. That's outdoor storage right there. They're cutting the grass right now around the lake. They take care of the grass around the lake, but you take care of your own grass. But looks really pretty out there today. A little overcast. As you can see, you got plenty of room for a pool. The next door neighbor has a pool right there. And you have a big area here that's covered. It's all screened in. This video is getting a little long here, so I apologize. Plantation shutters on the front. That goes out to the garage, and we have indoor laundry. Bedroom, probably about a queen size bed would fit in there pretty easily. Nice full bath, guest bath also. Tub. This bedroom's about the same size, maybe a little bit bigger. And you got a queen size bed in there. Guys, let me know what you think. It won't last long in here, especially at that price. So what I'll do is I'll send this out to you and contact me back.